How you can change the region in the Epic Games. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how we can change the region on the Epic game. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in into your account, and here you have to click on your profile icon that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to click on this account option. So now once you are in the account setting of your Epic Games, here you have to click on this first option of the account settings, and you just have to scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the country region. You just have to click on this blue icon to change it. Now once you are in, as you can see that here is the option that is how do I change the country on my Epic Games account, and here is all of the points. So you just have to click on this here icon. So here in this, these are the region that is available that you can make the changes by purchasing with the Epic Games. So you are not able to change it, but you can add the contact and submit the report, in which you have to add your username, email address, select the platform like your device that you are using and your product, and you have to select the contact region, that on which contact region based, and here you have to describe your problem that you want to change your region in your Epic Games, and you have to submit an email request. So once you submit your email request, you have to wait for the Epic Games to respond to your mail. So this is the only way that you can change your region in the Epic Games. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.